Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so I want to look at the stock market right now because I've been getting some people been saying this is the top in the market's going to collapse, the market's going to crash, that's it, it's all over, and that's it, this is the last move, it's not going to make new highs, and that's it, all right, the market's going to collapse, the top is in the markets. And I must say to those people who are saying right now that the top's in the markets, the top is in, and the stock market's going to crash. If you are saying that right now, you must have a look at the facts of what the market is doing right now and not what you think or what you hope or what you fear is going to happen, okay? Because the market can go up a lot longer than you think it can. And one of the things is that, or if you go back to a couple of live streams that I've done in the past, you'll be able to see where I've been talking about the markets and the S&P 500 especially, and I know some people around this period here towards the end of March, they started to short the market. The market dropped. They thought they were right. Then the market rallied up. Then they started shorting again, and then suddenly they disappeared. they didn't come back, and suddenly we're rallying back up again, right? So it's not about being right or wrong with the markets, but if you look at the facts for what's really going on right now in the stock market, is that you can see how the market is very, 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 very nicely trending to the upside. And we all know the adage, right? Or the saying, the trend is your friend. So if we know the fact that the trend is your friend, then we should know that we never know when the trend is going to end. So why try and fight that? Well, what a lot of people do, right? They see a nice upward trend, like, oh, well, yeah, this is the top here, this is the top here, this is the top here. Even so many people in YouTube, the YouTube's land, have been saying the top is in. Please do not fight this market. We're looking at even the Dow Jones, right? We had a low, we had a higher low through here. The market pulled back, and now we're getting another bit of a gap up here. Like this gap here could be a breakaway gap, and we could be getting ready, especially this volume here, we could be getting ready for another move to the upside. And if I bring up my weekly chart, we could be getting ready to run back up towards these ultimate high points up here, which is that 27,000 mark. So please don't try and fight this market and say that the top's in, where we're so close to getting towards that. It does look like that the market's trying to race up towards that right now. We look at the Dow Jones. We've been going sideways for a long time, or should I say not a long time, but a month, maybe a couple of months in total. So we're getting ready to, it looks like we're trying to getting ready to break up to new highs. Now I think if a lot of the banks start to really break out and start to go for a run, that'll have a bit of a supporting behind it. So let me know what you think in the chat box below about what's going on right now in the stock market. But at the end of the day, if we all know the trend is your friend, and if we see there's a very nice trend, don't fight the market, because 9 times out of 10 you're going to get smacked. Hey, thanks for watching. Go down to johnsfreetraining.com right now, where I'm going to be teaching you and sharing with you my #1 trading system that achieves up to a 90% success rate. Plus, I'm going to be walking you through the 7 powerful universal laws to become a master trader without you spending 13 years figuring it all out. So if you're struggling to trading right now and you need a good system, you need to know exactly how to get ahead and what the path is to becoming a successful trader, then go down to johnsfreetraining.com right now.